Alrighty, welcome back, guys. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, I didn't feel like streaming tonight. Had a bit of an off day as well. Didn't sleep amazing, all the bad stuff, but feeling better. Talking at least, that's a good thing. Got an exam tomorrow, so I got a bit of study to do. So I'm gonna be a little bit distracted tonight. Now, we had a very average day yesterday. Let's have a look at our performance stats. It's one of our worst days in the last, let's go back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, apart from this one. So let's say the last almost approximately 2 weeks, it's our worst day. First loss anyway, apart from the $1,000 loss here. Making some good progress. We had a bit of a hit to our win rate as well. In hindsight, looking at yesterday and how we traded and why we took the trades, in actuality, it would have been better to stay out of the market. We're testing all-time highs. I don't have a strategy that fits that market type. It's a really tough kind of market to trade. We didn't know when we were going to stop. And we just had some, the market's very volatile at the moment as well. So we're hitting our stops, that kind of stuff, pretty quickly and whatnot. So got to be a little bit careful with that. So anyway, it looks like we're ranging at the moment, which is good. Kind of suits my trading style and bigger ranges. I'm not talking about small little ranges. But yeah, I like being at the top of this range here for this retest of 19,800. Sorry, 19,080. It's a good spot to test. So could be a good opportunity for a short, but this move here is very bullish. It's a second attempt. So it could be just a stage for a move up. We marked out this stuff yesterday, made some decisions on where we thought the market would go to, and it looks like 19,100 was the mark, right? So we picked that out correctly, which is good. And remember, guys, these are all-time highs. So something got to keep that in mind. Yes, we could punch through 100 this session for sure, but I'd love to see what's going to happen here. We've got these lower or decreasing highs coming down, so you could say that we're losing a little bit of momentum there. I'd like a retest of 19,000. It'd be really good to get that retest, bit of consolidation around those levels before we move on. But yeah, I don't think I'll be taking a trade until we're really confident in the trade. I'm going to be a little bit distracted doing some study while we're moving along here. So it won't be the most exciting stream. And even then, we might only stream for an hour or so, have some dinner and go to bed. I'm just wrecked, man. Absolutely so tired. And I can do some more study in the morning, be a little bit more effective. But I can't believe how close we are to finishing this challenge. And I think there's a couple of factors here playing. One of those is, I guess, the anxiety around hitting this goal. Getting so close. We're $188 away before yesterday, so we're pretty close. So we wiped basically break even on the week so far, so we haven't achieved anything this week, so that's quite challenging to reconcile with as well. So we know we're going to get weeks like this, and I did mention yesterday how challenging this week was going to be given that we're breaking these all-time highs. So we had one good day, and that was before this break through, which was the 331. So basically break even across those. Yeah, so really we're down like $50-ish on the week, which is okay. It's not terrible. It's not terrible. But I wouldn't be upset with just having a reset next week, stepping back the rest of this week, just to rest. I like this for the continuation on to 19,000. Would be good, but I think we just got a little bit more of a pullback here to get the entry on this trade. Now the entry for it maybe here, or a return back down to 1960. Get a bit of weakness there to the upside, but it doesn't mean, you know, we have to stop here. The best entry for this would be back at this high for the short. Let's see how big these moves are. There's 80 pips, 90 to there, so good eat up there. 23 seconds. I think this move overall looks fairly bullish. So we did mention that was going to be a possible entry right there. It'd be awesome to be at the bottom of that wick. But let's see how this progresses. We've seen these kind of moves many times before. Indicator still says to the long side here, but see that weakness. It's getting pushed back down from the upper side there. I like it for the temp move down to 1960, but then I think I'll be keen on the long right there. So break below 80 there's pretty good. $36 seconds left on this candle. I think we can hit 19,100 in this move. I think we possibly could do it. It's just the weakness above this level. Yeah, maybe a temp short with a stop just above this high. Makes sense here. The weakness to the upper side there is interesting for sure. Yeah, I think I like it. 44 seconds. Let's see how this candle closes. Do you think we could break back down to 1960? Still above that level. we still have this bullish evidence here. This snap up. Interesting. Very interesting. Yeah. If we got a wick to here, stop there makes sense. Yeah, you wouldn't want it any lower than that. It's basically at that low. You basically want to go for 19. See if we revisit it. We might consolidate at this level for a little bit. But I like this entry. 6 seconds left on this candle. Good eat up from the downside there. Wouldn't be upset with adding to this position as well. So let's see. A little bit of indecision there. I think if we don't get this, then 1960 is the better option. The break below is a bit shit though. So this is an entry location here too. So maybe we give it a little bit more room. So it's 1974. So where's 1970? 1970's here. Hasn't really been respected that well. 1973 seems to be the one. The break below here is very shit. We might... Yeah, the weakness. But still haven't broken that low. 1 second here. There's obviously some pressure there. I think the stop makes sense. Could be an add to this entry at this low there. Yeah, I'm happy with that. My Bluetooth. Headphone just randomly disconnected. Alright, so breaking that high, can we punch up to that high? Where's our midway stop for this? It's like here, right? We can go break even on this trade. But yeah, maybe, what's that? That's only 100. We need more out of this trade. So I'm going to leave my stop here. We have trailed it just a little bit. but yes, need a bit more out of it to make this trade worth our time. At least 175, I think, which is the top of these ranges here, and the low of a few of these resistances too. It's got to break through this resistance too. Just testing it now. Yeah, I'd love to see a move up here. Be kind of cool. Be kind of cool. So I think if I was in for 10 here, I would have taken profit now. So that would have been 200. But we need a bit more out of this because we're only playing with 5. You can see the eat up there. So we can break through. 5 seconds left on this candle. 64%. Looking for the long right now. Breaking through. Go break even on this trade. Could test this low again. Something like that. It's a nice reject from this level. Clearly this is a level of interest. Clearly. There's a bit of aggression there from the downside, eating up, which is good. We could sweep down, then sweep up again or something like that. Could easily do that. Yeah, it's just this resistance at this level that is concerning. Because we may come back down to our entry here. And if we did that, it would be disappointing. But I could always have another go. 23 seconds left. If we came down to entry, would I add to this position? Yeah, I think I would. If we did that. It'd have to be just a quick move. Buy for 5 at this low. Good reject there. Alright, so our stop has to go here. And let's see if we get this return from this level. In fact, actually, our stop has to go here. Because I still believe in this trade for the move to the upside. 26 seconds left on this candle. Probably the smart thing was to sell, re-enter into this trade, but could have snagged a bit more out of it. And I think given that, I like it for the return here. 1 second left on this candle. Can we push back? Or are we going to retest this low? It's precarious. Very precarious. But I'd like to be in this long regardless, so I still like it. Yeah, I still like this position at this stage. We just need some closes above 80. Should be good. Yeah. Be something like that. Yep. I think the only thing that would have been good here is the original trade in for 10, take the 200 here, and then re-enter on this one. Got some heaviness there to the downside. We're getting eaten up, which is a good thing. 30 seconds left on this candle. If we tested here, I think I'd be keen on another 5 here. This could be a complete reversal back to this low. Maybe, but I like this level. I like it. So I'm just thinking, we need something aggressive here, don't we? I'll close that order because I think if this candle doesn't make it back to this high, like not this candle, but the next couple, yeah, it's a bit of evidence that we're going to continue on to the downside. See what I mean though, because you get these eat ups, but price is just super volatile right now. 8 seconds left on this candle. Let's see if we can close above. It's a bad close. There's a little bit of evidence building for me that we're going to make a sharp move to the downside. Let's see what happens. Can we make it through 88? This will be the next few candles will be the real test here. Now my tight stop strategy wouldn't have worked on this trade at all. Retesting these lows. Eat up is good. Really flirting with that low. So we got basically a risk to reward of 2 to 1 at the moment. Risk to reward. Reward to risk would be actually 2 to 1. The eat up from the downside there is nice. Just flirting with this level a lot. Kind of want to add to this position as well, but I don't know how long we're going to spend here. Those rejects, man. Yeah, that would have been the ad on that last trade, but let's see. Is he going to push down? Yeah, there's possibility we'll sweep these lows. I don't know if I want to move my stop. It's a bugger, guys. Real bugger. Yeah, I guess that weakness there was showing. I couldn't have moved my stop. There would be no way. I think we break back above 73. Because where do you put your stop after that? The stop after that has to go down here, essentially, which I really like. So we'll go in for 10 at this low, essentially, if it's swept through. Yeah, I couldn't have been my stop on that. I really couldn't. Wouldn't have been possible to. The risk was too high. Way too high. I do like this for the continuation to this low though. The entry for it though is up here. Yeah, I like it. Just to that low, but we'll have to get another wick in. Have to be something like, it doesn't mean we can't return. Stop just goes above that high. I'm just going to close this. Oh no, I'll leave that there. And we need to go to this low. Stop is just above here on this trade. We break above. We could break above with a wick or something like that. But I think it makes a sense for this small continuation to this low. 11 seconds left on this candle. Could we sweep it? I think we're going to push above here. Not going to do it. I think we might sweep up with a wick. That's what I thought was going to happen just now. Oh, might have been wrong. And they eat up from the downside. Yeah. We get the sweep to this low. Starting to look good for the upside move. I reckon you'll build a bit of a base here though before you do. The real entry on this is here. If we're going to sweep higher. I really like this entry here for the long, rather than this one. This one's higher risk. Yeah, it's a pity this trade didn't work out, because I think we still will do it. Just don't know when. Yeah, you see that. Oh, we still have a bit more to go, don't we? But then when you're building up this... Yeah, so... Oh, actually I don't know. Yeah, I wonder if we just hit this high for the continuation down. It's a nice move. So at 80 now. We're punching through. Let's see if we can get a better entry on this. We have to be here or something like that. On a wick down. It's a pity. I wouldn't have wanted to held that last trade because I just couldn't justify putting the stop down here. Just couldn't do it. There's no way I could justify that. Yeah, that'd be... It'd be like $300. It'd be like a 1-to-1. I guess it'd be possible. The 1-to-1 we've done them before. But... Stop goes here. Let's get rid of that. Yeah, I like this a lot. Continuation. I want 19, 100. I like this bullish momentum. The stop makes sense here. I don't want to put it down any lower. I was worried about this happening because I had the other entry here, right? For a retest. I don't think I can move this in good conscience. To like here, for example, that'd be a 1-to-1. But if we punch through this low, this trade's just no good. 14 seconds left on this candle. So we would have got that entry for 10 here. Oh man, I'm gonna move this below this low and go for 1-to-1. Disappointing, man. Can't do anything about it at this stage than just wait. Just the volatility is so high right now. And that is the better entry there for this long. I still believe in this long. What are we down 150 here at this location? Can we break back above, or are we gonna fall? What are we gonna do? 53% looking for a short right now. 40 seconds left on this candle. Yeah. Yeah, well, if we hit my stop, I know that we've risk managed it properly. Yeah, just be below this low. Yeah. Yeah. Wow, what a brutal trade, man. What a couple of brutal trades. Because it looks like we're going to keep sweeping low at this rate. I can't see any evidence that we're going to turn around at this point. There's nothing that says that. Really testing this low again. And this could just be a stop for a move further down. 22 seconds left on this candle, and this trade's looking horrendous at this stage. In all likelihood, we're going to punch down, buying at the top of this. Brutal, man. Brutal. Can we get the move back? 1 second on that close. Shocking close, man. I think if we get back above now, it's just pure luck, and it's yeah, it's unfortunate. See the eat ups to the upside there, not good. See that pressure. 30 seconds left on this candle. Can we punch back above? I genuinely will be surprised if we achieve this trade. Yeah, because the proper entry on this trade was here, right? But it's one of those things, can't always get the entry perfect, can you? This could just be a pullback for a bigger move down. Like that. $44 seconds left on this candle. $13 seconds left. Can we sweep 1960 and then reverse or something like that? I can't in good conscience move this stop. It has to stay where it is. We're getting these lower highs as well, so that might have been my opportunity to exit at a reasonable price. Yeah, it looks real bad at the moment. Looks like I'm going to sweep this low. Oh man, a couple of really bad days. Really bad days. Couldn't have moved that stop any further, man. I don't think I could have. Shocking. Absolutely shocking. Nothing I can do about it. It's going to go lower. It's going to go to this low for sure. So maybe we get the entry on a short for 10 to here. See if we get that, something like that. Probably just missed that entry. 24 seconds left on this candle. Yeah, you want it to sweep that low. But I like this for the long. So it'd be a quick turnaround. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. This trade's not going to work out anymore. I like this level. How can we fall further? There's definitely more short-term evidence to the downside, isn't there? Any of these shorts would have been a good short, essentially. Here we go. And I'm liking this for the buyback very shortly. Get some good eat up here. No, too late. The entry's at the bottom of the candle. See what I mean? We couldn't move the stop. Oh man, the short would have been perfect there. Would have been perfect. There's nothing we can do about it. Yeah, probably got some more to go. It's 1950. Can we go lower? It's a nice little reject there from that low here. It's essentially what it's bouncing from. How much lower can we go from here? I like this for the entry, just because it's so aggressive back to the upside from here. It has to be at the right spot. Yeah, I don't know if it's even there. Because there's no reason it has to stop. It's peeping into the short up here. Yeah, lower highs bleed down. Now I've seen those kind of moves before. So easy to see in hindsight. Really unfortunate. %64%. Still keen on a short. But I don't know if we'll get a return from here. Probably here. That low would be a good entry for a long. Just here, if we got it. And I would add to it. Maybe if it swings through just a little bit. Let's see, we've been down to 20 before. Look at this move, man. Ah, frustrating. Very frustrating. In on this trade. The stop is good. It's only a very short-term trade, just to this high, if we get it. No, I'm happy with the stop. Stop, I don't want any lower than that. It's a quick move. Didn't get it. Oh, I still really like it. Still really like it. What a fall, man. Ah. All right, we just have to wait out for the long, because at this rate we might go to 19,000. It's so heavy, isn't it? Oh, any of these shorts would be good, any of them, but you don't know which one it's going to stop at. It's so hard to know. 20 was the other option here, so let's see if it touches this high. We would have got the 20 on that. Yeah. I was thinking of grabbing a buy here at the top of this pullback. It may pull back further. I like it for the long. I'm going to add to it when we're at this low here. And we could hit this low again, so let's watch it. Like it, and we really can they go for this move here. Good eat up. Can we get the move? It's very high risk, this move. Can we get it up there? We're in for 15 here. Looking for something really aggressive. Break even on this trade. We need something to push up hard. Push, push, push. 25 seconds left on this candle. We're looking for something really aggressive. Aggressive. Let's go. Let's go. Happy with leaving this at break even because it is precarious. We're looking for a move just back up there. A lot of eat up there from the upside. Bugger. Bugger. It was worth the risk. I think we would have lost actually on that trade. And in fact, we lost on one of them. 17. Oh, it's a real pain. Alright, so let's reset to find the right spot. We would have been right. At least to that high. Would have been fine. Man, it's tough trading right now. Really tough. Really tough to pick it. Yeah, I like this for the re-entry of the long. Just see if we get a bit more of a push here. Or we re-enter this long. It's a pity we couldn't take some off the table in that last trade. So essentially we've missed out on, I would say about $250 today by not taking the exits earlier. I'll work and reckon we'll retest. Let's see here. I like this for the re-entry of the long. Down here, if we got it. This entry just here. If we got a wick down. It could potentially be here for the continuation, like the stage. A lot of eat up there from the upside. I'm just going to enter at the top of this because I like the pressure. We'll have to wait for another run here. Remove this if we're chasing this short. No, I haven't got the right entry on it. Oh, we would have been wrong anyway, so. So, ladies and gentlemen, our long was good. It's really, really good. Eight seconds left on this candle. See if we get a bit of a sell here to join in the move. A bit of pressure from the upside. Be kind of cool if we got a move to here and pull back down, but we would have missed that now. Even if we got a long to here would be cool. So pull down and up. Let's see. Maybe we'll go halfway. I like it for the short. The temp short. Essentially, you just want to move to this candle, this level. But this could be another step, just to pull back and the step down. Definitely could be that. Stops in a good spot. And go for another. And yeah, just chasing a move to this low. "14 seconds left on this candle. "7 seconds. It's pushing back above. Let's see if we get a sell here. Looks like a bad trade already. Oh man. Oh. Bad trade after bad trade. There's not much I can do about it, man. I feel like it was the right thing to do. Got that weakness there. I've seen that before. Perhaps just a pullback and a bigger move to the upside. Yeah, maybe. Maybe the entry for the short was there. But this move's bullish, so we're trying to go against the trend, essentially. Yeah, and if that's the case, don't go against the trend, right? But you just got this weakness here to the upside, and this could range here for a while. Maybe. What am I trying to achieve here? Think about this. Really struggled at this part of this time of the market this week. Really struggled. Oh, that short would have been good. I'm glad I didn't take the long. Really took the second to think about that, which was good. I like this for the return to the low. I like it a lot. Yeah, no, the stop is good. Needs to go here. If only we reversed all our trades today, we'd be better off. I like that stop though. Oh man, I am not doing well at all. It's a rough week, really rough week. It's going to be a sea of red on the, that That pull above is so nice. Fuck it. Going for that high. Stop has to go here. Yeah, it just has to. I'm flip-flopping on trades here, which is really bad behavior. Stop has to go here then. Just way too much. It's way too much. No, we ruined it. Yeah. It's in a range. We got caught up in it. Oh man, let's head over to the practice. Let's see if we can figure out our strategy here. What are we doing? Why are we entering these trades? And why is it working out the way that it has been? So we achieved another big negative day. I think the volatility is much more than it has been previously, and that's why we're struggling. I think that's why. Yeah. I like it from this low, essentially, to here. That we could break through, so. Very lucky we didn't hit our stop on that. Very lucky, and still might. Looks really bearish to the downside now. It's gonna break it for sure. No, it didn't. Surprisingly, still might though. Still have time. Yeah, man. Shocking performance. We've been doing so well. So well. For like 2 weeks. 2 weeks. We're so close. But it's not going to look good for the eval on this account at all. The fact that we've basically hit our max loss twice in a row. Not right in a row, but on different days. But you can see that we've got a bit to recover. This is going to go further down. I'd be really surprised if this reverses. I don't think it will. I think this is an opportunity to close. It's pretty bullish. I don't know, I can't pick the market right now at all. I feel really out of tune with it. Really out of tune with it. Yeah, I'm just gonna exit that. It's just too dodgy, man. And it's only 75 bucks. It says 300, but it's because it exits all of them at once at different levels. So the price is just so volatile. All that for risking 800 for $75 is like, it's dumb. It's dumb, man. Still would have hit my take profit. I don't know. I think I need to step back. That's the biggest thing right now. Clearly, this market's not working out well for me. You know, turning it around tomorrow would be insane. So we had this long, we didn't hold it. Moved too close to our entry. And it was a good trade. Taking you to the top of that, re-enter. That's what we would have done previously. Biggest thing we've changed is trying to take more out of our trades. That's the biggest thing. Yeah, we're gonna break through, aren't we? You can only go to here. Let's see. Or is it gonna range again? Yeah, okay. I can't pick this market at all. I like it though. Let's go for it. Just do something dumb. The stop has to really be below here, to be honest. But 19 seconds on this trade. Really, we should have left the other trade. It's probably what we should have done. The risk was better on it, but I feel like this is more confirmed to the upside. This is probably what we should have waited for on the other account. Because the long was right. A lot of our trades were right. Just either hit our stop first. Obviously, one of them was wrong. One of the big ones there. So yeah, this will hit this high. I will hit my stop first. Just gonna hit my stop first, I think. Give me a trade. Even one on the practice would be nice. Would be nice. I gotta reverse this trade. I'm gonna re-enter at this low. Yeah. Got this second reject though from that high. I still really like it for the long. So heavy, isn't it? To the downside there. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's just ranging. It's just ranging. Anyway, I'm just gonna flick over here, do a bit of a review on today. So deactivated. Don't worry, you'll be resumed the next day. Oh man. So we've hit another $1,000 loss on this account. We've missed some really good trades today. We were in some shorts, we were in some longs, and we obviously missed this big move. We were on this low here, and we got hit from break even, but obviously it would have been a fine trade, and it would have recovered today easy, just at the top of this range here, which is where, well, actually we had our take profit approximately here anyway. So some rookie mistakes, I think. I don't know if it's got something to do with me just being extra fatigued this week as well, but also the market's been really challenging to trade, so really volatile, and I've been struggling with it. My strategy hasn't been working that well at all, so we're down significantly this week. Let's have a look at performance stats, and as you can see, it's shocking. We've had this beautiful equity curve, and we've had a bit of a pullback on that. So I think we need to reset, take it easy for a week, and just try and slowly work our way back up. Because even if we just took the $100 profit which we had today on one of our trades and walked away, we would have been better off than this. So, but it's super challenging. One of the hardest skills I've ever tried to develop, man. So, did we get the entry on this? No, we didn't. Just missed it by a couple of ticks. Can't complain about though. We don't know what's going to happen here. So anyway, I'm going to end the stream. Have another crack tomorrow and see how we go. We're getting further and further away from our goal. Opposite direction. We were $188. We were so close. So close. So anyway, team, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.